Welcome! If you've ever wanted to explore Telegram bots but weren't sure how to join them, you're in the right place. Bots on Telegram can do all kinds of things. Help you stay updated, provide useful tools, or even just make chatting more fun. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to join a bot on Telegram, updated and easy to follow. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Once you're inside, look at the very top of the screen for the search bar. That search bar is your starting point. Give it a tap so you can type in the name of the bot you're looking for. Remember, every bot on Telegram has a username that ends with the word bot. For example, it might look something like ExampleBot. If someone has already shared the invite link with you, you can skip searching and just paste the link directly into Telegram. Both methods work to help you find the bot. Next, after you type the username or paste the link, a list of results will appear. Look carefully and select the correct bot from the list. You'll know it's the one you're looking for because it will always have the word bot in its name. Once you've selected the bot, the chat will open. At the bottom of that chat screen, there's a button that says Start. Tap Start, and that's it. You've officially joined the bot. From this moment on, the bot is ready to interact with you. Some bots will begin by sending a short welcome message, while others might give you a simple menu to choose from. Either way, you can now use it just like any other conversation in your Telegram app. And that's all there is to it. Open Telegram, use the search bar or link, select the bot, and tap Start. In just a few seconds, you'll be ready to explore whatever features the bot has to offer. So the next time someone tells you about a great Telegram bot, you'll know exactly how to join and start using it right away.